Sometimes the biggest stories in the camera industry don't begin with a launch event or an official announcement. They begin with a rumor that refuses to disappear. That's exactly what's happening with the rumored DJI mirrorless camera. Over the past several weeks, leaks and industry speculation have continued to build, leading many photographers and filmmakers to wonder whether DJI is preparing to enter one of the most competitive markets in imaging. Nothing has been officially confirmed, and DJI has remained silent, but if even part of these reports proves accurate, the DJI mirrorless camera could become one of the most closely watched camera releases in recent years. The possibility alone is enough to generate excitement because DJI has already transformed several parts of the imaging industry. The company didn't become a global leader by following traditional camera manufacturers. Instead, it built its reputation by developing drones that made cinematic aerial footage accessible to everyday creators, handheld stabilizers that changed video production, and compact cameras packed with advanced stabilization technology. That history makes the rumored DJI mirrorless camera feel less like a random experiment and more like the next logical step in DJI's long-term vision. Rather than asking how DJI could build a mirrorless camera, many people are now asking why it took this long. What makes DJI different is the way it approaches imaging technology. Traditional camera companies spent decades refining mechanical cameras before evolving into today's digital systems. DJI entered the industry from a completely different direction. Its engineers focused on software, motion control, artificial intelligence, and real-time image processing. Every drone the company produces must stabilize video while flying through constantly changing environments. Every intelligent tracking system must recognize subjects and predict movement with remarkable accuracy. That unique experience could give a future DJI mirrorless camera strengths that differ from those of existing competitors. Instead of simply matching current cameras feature by feature, DJI could introduce entirely new ways of combining hardware and computational photography. One reason these rumors have gained additional credibility is DJI's ongoing collaboration with Hasselblad. The partnership has already influenced several DJI aerial cameras by improving color reproduction and overall image quality. According to current speculation, that relationship could continue if the DJI mirrorless camera reaches the market. Some reports suggest the system may incorporate Hasselblad-inspired color science designed to produce rich, natural colors directly from the camera. While there is no official confirmation of this feature, it would fit perfectly with DJI's reputation for simplifying professional workflows and delivering attractive results straight out of the camera. The rumored specifications also suggest DJI is targeting serious photographers and filmmakers rather than casual users. Multiple reports claim the DJI mirrorless camera could feature a full-frame sensor with approximately 45 megapixels. If accurate, that would position it among premium hybrid cameras designed for demanding creative work. Such a sensor would offer high resolution for commercial photography while maintaining the flexibility required for professional video production. Although these numbers remain speculative, they indicate that DJI may intend to compete directly with established flagship models instead of entering the market through an entry-level product. Video performance is naturally one of the most discussed aspects of the rumors. DJI has spent years building products for filmmakers, so expectations are understandably high. Current reports suggest the DJI mirrorless camera may support 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with internal 10-bit recording, and some rumors even mention the possibility of advanced recording formats like ProRes RAW. None of these features have been confirmed, but they would align with DJI's growing emphasis on professional video production. If implemented successfully, they could make the camera attractive to filmmakers, documentary creators, commercial videographers, and content creators looking for a powerful hybrid system. Another interesting rumor concerns the camera's construction. Several sources suggest the DJI mirrorless camera could feature a magnesium alloy body with weather sealing, indicating that DJI may be designing it for demanding professional use. Reliable construction is increasingly important for creators who work outdoors or travel frequently, and a durable body would help the camera compete with established professional systems. Once again, these details remain speculative, but they contribute to the growing picture of DJI aiming for the higher end of the mirrorless market. Perhaps the most intriguing report involves the lens mount. Instead of developing a completely new ecosystem, rumors suggest DJI may adopt the L-mount standard. If that proves accurate, the DJI mirrorless camera could potentially support a wide range of existing lenses from Leica, Sigma, Panasonic, and other L-mount alliance members. For photographers, that would dramatically reduce the cost and uncertainty of switching to a new system. Rather than waiting years for native lenses to arrive, users could begin shooting with a mature ecosystem immediately. Although DJI has not confirmed this strategy, many industry observers believe it would be one of the smartest decisions the company could make. Autofocus remains one of the biggest question marks and potentially one of the biggest opportunities. DJI's existing products already demonstrate impressive subject recognition and intelligent tracking powered by artificial intelligence. Drones and handheld cameras routinely keep moving subjects in focus under challenging conditions, leading some analysts to speculate that similar technology could appear in the DJI mirrorless camera. Rumored features include eye detection, animal tracking, vehicle recognition, and predictive autofocus designed for both photography and video. Whether those capabilities reach production remains unknown, but they illustrate why the rumors have generated so much interest across the creative community. Until that happens, the rumored DJI mirrorless camera remains one of the most fascinating stories in the camera world. It represents the possibility of a company with a completely different engineering philosophy stepping into a market dominated by long-established names. Whether these rumors eventually become reality or fade away, they have already achieved one thing: they've sparked a conversation about what the next generation of mirrorless cameras could look like. And if DJI does decide to make its move, it could become one of the most important moments in modern camera history.